Okay, so now that we have captured the search keyword or the search value, we can add the functionality to like search the term, and but we'll add it. So before that, let us just go ahead and create the UI for the website. Like below the search component, there will be a component which will be containing all the information about the weather, which will be containing the icons and temperatures and everything. So let's create that first. So for that, I will create another component in the components folder. So I will name it like the weather details or just details. I will call it weather details.js. Okay, now we'll use our trick, which is RFCE. Okay, weather details.js. So, and one more thing I would like to tell you, that here there is a div. Okay, inside the return statement there should be a div, and inside that you need to write all your JSX. So you can also put, like, you can remove this div word from here and you can just leave it like this also, so it will also work. This is a all this can also work. Okay, this is called the syntactic sugar form of the component. And now let's go ahead and create this component. So inside this I can create a div, or I can create an article. It totally depends on me, but I have created article when I was designing this. So it's inside the article. Let me provide the class name, and the class name for this article will be widget. And inside this there will be a div, and its class name would be weather icon, because we gonna provide the icon first. At the top there will be an icon, so that's what we're gonna create, like weather icon. All right. So now we will import the icon. So for that we need to go to the website. So we are using the icons from this website. This is ericflowers.github.io. So we are using the CDN from this website, and these are all the icons. So this is the syntax, how you should like import the icon, or you can like include it in your project. So first of all you need to import the CDN. So CDN I've already imported in my styles.css folder. So in styles only you need to import the CDN. Now you need to select which icon you need to view, and according to that you need to change the value here. This night sleet you can provide here. This why this day sunny, or wi will be there day sunny, and anything like that. So I'll just copy this from here, and basically here it is class, because they are showing us for HTML. So we will not provide class, we'll provide class name. All right, so let's just go to the VS Code, and here we'll provide this. So this will be class name, not just class. So it will be class name, and here we can provide, maybe I can provide sun. So where is sun? By day sunny. Day sunny. So this will be day sunny. All right, so we have given this, and we can just go ahead and check it once. Let me just save it. Let me take you to the browser. Take you to the browser and fresh. So right now we can't see it. So the reason is obvious, because we have not included it in our app.js file. So I'm gonna include it in the search main component here, because after all this component is already imported in the app.js file. So like components under component, but the root component should be included in the app.js file, right? So I've already included search main in the app.js, so in this I will include it. Okay, so maybe inside the wrap, or So here there is a wrap class, there's a div called wrap. So I'll provide another like the syntactic sugar form of the div, which don't need the class or anything class name. So here I will import the weather details. Maybe it will allow me to auto import or it will not. Okay, so it's not allowing me actually, but this happens in I think app.js. If you type, so in the middle only it shows us the like option to auto import, right? From, you can just provide the details, no need to provide .js, it automatically understands you. Okay, so now if I go back to the browser and see, you can see there's an icon right here and there's a beautiful widget. So this all is happening from the class name widget here, and this is the icon, this is the div for icon, and this is the icon. All right, so next, moving on to the next part, below the icon there is something else which we call as weather info. All right, so let me create another div with a class name of weather info. All right, and then we'll provide another div for temperature basically. So it will be named, the class would be named as temperature. All right, inside the temperature div there will be a span, so which will be showing us the temperature. For example, now we put 23.99, and for degrees Celsius we use this and sign and dg, and this is the degree sign. Okay, for copyright there is this and copy and this semicolon. All right, so this is it, this is a span, and the span doesn't need any class. So let me just save it and let me just go back to the browser and let me just show you. So this is how it looks, it's showing the temperature and this is the degree sign. So let us just go back to VS Code. Let us try to create another div for the next things. All right, so next will be the description of the weather. So like now we have provided the temperature, next would be for the details or description. So we will provide the name as description. All right, inside the description there would be another div which will be telling us about the weather condition. Weather condition is simply means like sunny, cloudy, and all that information. So weather condition. So inside this we'll write for now we'll write sunny, and next we will have another div. So this will be showing us the location, right? The city which we search, so complete location for that. So this div will have a class name of place, and here it will show like Mumbai, comma in. So right now we are hard coding all this, right? We are providing all the values from our side, but we'll not be doing this forever. So we will be calling the API and all the information will be fetching from that place. So right now we're just creating the UI first of all. So let me take you to the browser and let's just see how this looks. Beautiful. So this is the temperature and this is the weather condition, this is the location. So far so good. Let's go back and create some other things. All right, so now we will create some more sections. All right, so that we'll create in the next video.